welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isabel if you are new here, and in today's video we are doing a Nasty Gal haul, a summer haul. Cute clothes. I'm out of breath. I just cleaned up this room, which is always a mess, so anyways, nobody cares, but I am out of breath. I will link everything that I share down below. As always, I am going to do it. This will be a try on. I don't know if I'll do like a video or if I'll just put up a picture next to the item that I'm sharing. I'm trying to get a thumbnail over here and it's not. All right, so here we are with this big bag. So welcome, we're here. I'm finally ripping this open. This has been here for like 3 days. I have a mix of stuff. Me and a couple of my friends and Mike are going away in a couple weekends. Away meaning away from my oldest two children and bringing my baby, but it's gonna be a nice little getaway, a couple days away. So let's jump in. Oh, I forgot I got this cute dress. All right, so let's see what I got. First we have this super cute dress that hopefully makes sense. Oh my god, it looks adorable. So it's a V-neck t-shirt dress, this really pretty material and really silky soft fabric. No detailing at the bottom, but it does have this cute detailing on the neckline, and then it has a little tie in the back. So super cute. I still have a mom pooch happening, so I like to cover that up with like a flowy dress. I thought this was adorable. I got this in a size. It says it's size 12. I know that like UK sizing is different, so I think that's like an 8, a 6 or an 8 in US sizing. So super cute. Then I got, this is just like a simple, I think it's like a tank top kind of t-shirt kind of deal. I got this in a large. Hopefully it's not too big, but are you getting my vibe? I think that you could probably like, could you do it off the shoulder? No, it kind of seems like it's going up, but it's just a white tank that has cute little frilly sleeves. This will be cute with like anything. Denim shorts, a little skirt. Let's see if that's see-through. A tiny bit, but that's okay. Yeah, just like a staple little white tank, but dress it up with the frillies. I thought was really cute. Then this I'm really excited about. So I got these all in that size. It's a UK 12, so I'm pretty sure that's like a US 8 or 6. I think it's an 8. So this is a really cute little romper for our little getaway. So it has that pretty white flower material with a little, oh my god, is this like so see-through? Because I'm just like really done with white being completely see-through. It looks okay. And then I thought the sleeves were adorable with the little white ruffles. And it's a romper, so it has the shorts. So it looks adorable. It looks a little see-through, but that's Spanx. But it's also a little hot for Spanx, let me tell you that. All right, I'm really excited for this cute little set. This was like, do you ever like order any, like a big order of clothes and there's that like one thing that you can't stop thinking about? Well, this is it. So it's this little set. I hope. Like, I'm a mom of 3. I'm not 30 yet. Like, I'm still trying to like live in my 20s and be fun, festive, spicy, and feisty. So this is a little crop tank top, but with the matching shorts. Like, so cute. A little like lounge set kind of deal, but like make it fun, feisty, and festive and gorgine. This t-shirt is just like me trying to be cool and like trying to fit in, you know what I mean? Like, we all just need to try to fit in sometimes. So I got this huge Rolling Stones tee. Super cute. It's like massive. I think I got it in like a large or an extra large because who wants this tight fitting oversized tee? So that's super cute with like biker shorts. And then on the back, super cute. Love that. We love a Rolling Stones tee, even though clearly we listen to Taylor Swift. Okay, and then, oh, I'm excited for this. I didn't know which website I got this necklace off. I've been looking for like a big chunky gold chain necklace. Oh, that's perfect. It's super chunky. So, oh, and it comes with, this is attached, a little cross. Okay, God bless. Lastly, I got this sweater set. This is not for the summer, but I saw it and I wanted to grab it because I thought it would be so cute for the fall. So it is this big, really lightweight, nice cardigan. And then it has the matching sweater pants. And I got this in a medium. I probably could have gone for a small. I'm scared that the pants are gonna be like too big. But they have like a bell bottom deal. They go down at the bottom, and I thought this would be so cute for the fall with like white sneakers. And hair pulled back with gold earrings. Like, do you feel my vibe? All right, I guess that's everything. That was so quick. I thought I was gonna be here for like an hour and a half. But that's everything from Nasty Gal. I love their clothes. Never disappoints. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you so much. Bye.